light is good tonight. We got third position. Yeah, oh look, TJ's there. We tried to get his car done. It didn't work. There's like something bound between the motor and the transmission, and the motor's not turning over anymore. So that sucks. So, I think we're going to do off that one and move on. So first up is the Pretty Car Contest, and then there's 22 heats tonight, so it's going to be a long night. So stick around, heat 2 come up next.
So we got the 7X, we got the M2, and the 65. We're going to do the Great Sunny Hall. Vote for one and one only. I always love that slogan. You know, I voted twice once, so you never caught me. All right, let's hear it for the 7X. Let's hear it for the M2. And the 65. Your winner, Robbie Wood, in the 65 with an awesome sale, man.
Well, we're back. Let's look at the damage. Well, I mean, we're back from the race. We're back at the shop. Well, this is about the worst spot. I've never been hit right there. There's actually not a bar or anything underneath there because normally it doesn't get messed with. But yeah, this is probably going to stay like this the rest of the year. We'll fix it at the end of the year. I mean, over the winter. That's really about it. Nothing's really broke. Got a little dent right there. It's not a big deal. Nothing really happened in the front end. Except where I hit the wall right there, you can see. Yeah, nothing too bad. I do need to work on some things. That's my mud flap. That's gonna go back on. I gotta see that hole right there. I slide a pin in there. It stops the shifter from going in the park. Well, it's too far forward. So if you've seen in the video, I kept stopping. But I wasn't stopping. I was trying to find reverse. And I just kept getting between reverse and park. So that definitely needs a change. Yeah, it definitely made it hard to catch back up when I'm sitting there trying to find reverse. It was a bit of a rough heat. But that's figure 8 racing. It's not a big deal. I gotta fix that. And then I gotta... On these LS motors, I didn't realize that you need to drill out the power steering pump to get better pressure. That also affected me. Like when I came off idle, or when I had to go down, like slow really far down, I pretty much had no power steering. Hard to get the car turned around, catch back up when you got no power steering. But that's pretty much it for this time. Did you have a good time?
Yep.
You gonna have a better car next year?
Yeah, looking for a Cavalier.
Yeah, we're looking for a Cavalier. We got a Cavalier of an Ecotech. So you're gonna have an Ecotech or a twin cam.
Or Honda VTEC.
Or Honda VTEC. But we're not messing around with no 2.2 base crappy Cavaliers. We want to go fast. At least that's the goal.
Yeah.
But that's it for this time. Nothing really broke with the car. Just some things that need to adjust. It seems like when you start improving things and getting things better, another problem shows up. I don't know honestly where I finished in that race. Did the best I could. I really need to practice with the car. Now that it's turning, I actually spun around for the first time in a long time. But my car, before we got this thing turning, it wouldn't do what it did last night. Like, I'd go in the corner and the worst thing that would happen, it would go straight. Now it actually tried to spin around on me. So it's a bit of a learning curve getting back to used to steering. Got to do some practicing. We'll see what happens in the next race. Hopefully I'll be up in Gaillard for Unique Motorsports Championship. If not, I'll be playing in my buddy's backyard. Well, that's it for this time on Scrapyard Choppers. I'll see you next time.